Hey everyone, this is Jader321, and I am so freaking happy because I have 50 subscribers, which my 50th subscriber was Isaac Miller 1993. So thank you, Isaac. Your videos rock, by the way. And actually, I have 57 subscribers, and I meant to make the special like maybe a month or so ago, but I forgot because I was busy with the town tour and school and stuff. So yeah, thank you to all my 57 subscribers. Sorry, my nose and stuff is a little stuffed up. And I changed a couple things in the town from the tour, which the apartment building was over there, was over here, but now it's over there. And the police station, which was right there, has been rebuilt into this marvel and moved over here into the new district of town, which doesn't really have much and doesn't have a name. So leave a comment if you can think of a good name for this new small area of town. Like, I'm probably going to put some houses here. Leave a comment and tell me a good name for this, or send me a message or something. Tell me a good name for this, because I can't think of a name. Which, by the way, my battery is almost dead. I forgot to charge up my camera. New hospital. The post office is now smaller, and I reconstructed the fire station. Bricktown Fire Department, if you're watching this, or Chatham Fire fan, or any of those people, tell me if you like it. There's engine 1. I redid the ladder 1. I made this rescue truck, which is really sweet. I'll do a separate video about that soon. And yeah, flag, here's the building. It's really nice. There's some stairs down there to the bay and stuff. The model rocket stuff. And that's pretty much all I wanted to tell you and show you. So yeah, this is Jader321 signing off. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Help me get 100 subscribers by March 2012. Bye.